came off though, but he only did actually
Different.
Come on. She said she taking a different angle this time, y'all. Uh-oh. Got aggressive a little bit. Oh, it ain't trying to listen. Come on, it's spinning. Oh!
Oh, yeah.
It caught oh! Oh, look, she want to use her knee so bad. Ah! Dang!
That's right there, kid. Yeah.
Well,
you don't have to go all the way back.
Okay. Well, it's not like it really matters on this one.
Yeah, people be hitting that gate, miss, anyway.
pretty comparable to short course.
Oh yeah, I'm still good on time. I just
We need to get up
It's like
past
I'm
this
not
gate,
getting
y'all.
see that's what's happening.
Oh, it ain't trying to listen, y'all.
You go straight back.
You only have one more verse.
Ah, one more verse. Ooh.
I'm about to do it all.
Oh. Here we come, y'all.
Sweet baby Jesus.
Sweet baby Jesus, man. I thought you were finna say sweet baby Ray. I was thinking, who barbecue?
We do.
Y'all got some barbecue? Oh, y'all a competition cook team too? I'm come. Y'all got some sweet baby Ray? Ain't got no sweet baby Ray.
Look at you.
Oh, she did that. Okay.
Still good.
Progress. Oh, what she? Oh,
Okay. How am I on time?
oh man. Oh, you ain't had no more revert. Pinky is finished. Oh, Pinky, man. Oh, Pinky.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's why you guys made it.
Hey. Y'all want me to which side? Y'all want me to go see the other side? Let me.
Let's go over here. Like
Yeah, let's go check him out one time. Who is this over here? Sweet baby Ray Honey Chipotle. Dang, this one got more gates. I got people. I got It's Louie in the building. Merc Raider, Super Stormy, Rob one time, Souk Mike Hawk.
right on, Chad.
We got Low Key Reek, Disney something, Kilroy 480. They in here. They talking. Ah man,
We're really glad you came out.
appreciate it, man. I'm enjoying myself so far. The sun has started coming out. He's spinning. They said spinning ain't winning.
Oh,
Oh, it went on.
not smoking. It's good. That's right.
It's still fixing it. I'm going to reverse. Now reverse.
You still have the drone? Yeah, I still got it. I got a new model with the drone too. Man, it look like he finna hit that thing. Let me see if he that cold. Golly, he cold like that.
This is not working out how I'm imagining in my head.
But it's still looking good. Oh, well that thing, that's got too much power, y'all.
5 seconds left.
Ooh, well, he didn't want to hear that. Man, you need a progressive, man.
I'm not.
You ain't got no, Gavin. Man, he need a progressive. Hook him up with a progressive, man. As soon as he touch his gas pedal, he fly over all the rocks, man.
Yeah.
Go on, get him progressed on in, man.
Oh, man.
They said, somebody on my chest said, is that a 100-mile-an-hour car?
No.
Well, how fast do it go?
About 12.
About 12? It got a lot of little torque on it.
It does. It's
It's real torquey,
so
man.
I changed way too much.
Oh, okay. What it weigh? It says 6 pounds or more?
It's right at the 6 pounds. Whenever I brought it out, it was like right under 4 pounds. So
Oh,
I
okay.
had to add 2 pounds of weight.
Yeah.
And
That
it just changed.
that changed the ride up. That ain't what you used to.
Nah.
Or can you race at any event with only 4 pounds?
Down in Houston, they run them.
Oh, okay.
They don't.
They don't do no weight scale check.
Yeah.
So
Buddy system. But,
Do the weight scale check make everybody a little bit more even?
yeah, everybody's got to be the same
Okay.
weight. But yeah, it's gonna definitely make people. I got to build a totally different truck.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Dang, do anybody else do the weight limit deal, or is that just
no,
here?
they do.
Okay.
Like out in Oregon and California,
Yeah.
Washington area, stuff like that. It's even more scale, more technical.
Okay.
Like they're counting body accessories, everything like that. All that stuff adds up in points. We don't
Okay.
really do that here,
Yeah.
but yeah, it's kind of different rule set everywhere you go.
Okay. This
I
is
think
my
some
first
of the big
time.
comps up in Dallas, I think they weigh them in.
Yeah.
Really, he might would know more about that. Do they weigh up in Dallas?
This is my first
Okay.
Oh, this is his first time too.
He's driving better than me.
Man, well, let me see. They done stopped over here.
Right there.
Let me see what else they got.
Reverse.
Oh, snap, he was finished. Man, can I add, if I give me a car, I can add me some extra parts? I know a part I'm going to put on mine. I'm going to have, you remember Street Speed Racer? Oh, yeah. And remember he used to have that button, it used to lift the car up, make it jump. I'll put that on my car out here, man. I'll have me a little lever thing. When I get stuck on a rock, I'll just stick that thing down. Yeah. Huh? How long been what? YouTube, man, I've been doing YouTube for like 3 years.
Okay.
3 years. I've been doing it 3 years. One time I quit. I had quit. I quit last year. I'll be ready to quit every year. I'll be ready to quit. Yeah, then somebody say, yeah, man, we got a couple $100 for you. Oh, shit, I come. Shit, I ain't quit. I ain't quit yet. Soon as I don't make no money for a long period of time, I'll be, man, this ain't worth it, fool. Okay, he taking it slow. He done made it. He done cleared one checkpoint. On to the next. I think he got a good car, y'all. Who it is? Ooh, he got that thing sideways. I'm sorry to reconnect.